Hello everyone and welcome to Westcott University. In today's video we are going to show you how to download and install the Design2Cut software. An email would have been sent to you containing that direct download link, so let's go ahead and access your email and find that. Locate the email that was sent to you and let's open that up. Inside the email you will see a Download Now button, so go ahead and click that. Your download will automatically start, so go ahead and click OK. Once the download is complete, the download will go into your Downloads folder. So go ahead and locate that and let's open it. Click the installer zip. Inside the installer zip, you will see the Design2Cut installer. So let's go ahead and double click that. The install wizard will automatically start. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. Here you will click Next. Please read the software license agreement. Once you have completed that, go ahead and check I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click Next. Here you will click Next again. And click Next again. And here you will click Finish. You have successfully installed the Design2Cut software.